Today we're going to talk about Backsaver's electric swing away kit and what all comes in that kit and all your other options. So first, we got it already mounted up to a newer auger that already has the brackets welded to it, and you can see it comes with the tires, jacks, and your motors. And then you have your battery cable, which you run up to the tractor, and then we've already got it mounted on the side of the auger, but a manual control as well. So if your batteries in your remotes happen to go out, you have that to work off of. It also comes with 2 remotes, but can be programmed up to 4. This kit is only made to work with a 12-volt system. There are no 120 volts as of yet. If your older augers don't have this bracket already welded to them, there are other options for bracket kits for different size augers. Like this one we have here is a 10-inch mount. That's another option for you, so you can mount these kits up. And also, they do make a winch kit, but it has to be used with Backsaver's kit as well because it already has the same connection ready to mount up to it. The biggest thing would be also looking to see if you have any mounts on there to mount the winch. You may have to get the bracket to add it as well. If you have any questions on this product, you can check it out on sloanex.com, or you can give us a call at 800-934-9777.